Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this video. Hope you're having a good day. In this video, I want to start discussing descriptive tables. And I'm going to answer three questions. Who creates these tables? Who reads these tables? And generally speaking, who ignores these tables? Now, if we come back to the first table that's on this Word document that's on the website, we see that a descriptive table can occur in a lot of different places. So if we're doing univariate analysis, there's only two types of tables that you'll generally see: a frequency distribution table or a descriptive table. If I'm doing bivariate analysis, analysis where I only have two variables, once again, in 3 of the 4 cells, it looks like we might be building a descriptive table. And then finally, if you look at the multivariate, once again, in 3 of the 4 cells, we see that descriptive tables are tables that we're likely to build. And so when we ask the question, who creates these tables? Well, pretty much everybody. If you are a qualitative researcher, a quantitative researcher, a mixed methods researcher, you're likely at some point in time in your career to need to build a descriptive table. Well, then the question becomes, who reads these tables? If you're talking to people, if you're talking to a layperson in a research report, if you're talking to your chair in your dissertation, or you're talking to the academic community at large in a published article, that's your audience. These are the people who read these tables. And I cannot stress enough, when you're building this table, because this is such a common table, finding common practices is going to allow you to get your point across much more clearly, much more concisely, and it then becomes much easier for you to get people to side with you. Because that's really what you want. You're wanting to tell a story with your statistics that people can follow. Last question, who ignores these tables? Well, it kind of goes back to the discussion on who ignores frequency distribution tables. Because everybody builds a frequency distribution table at some point in their career, they have a tendency to ignore it. Because everybody's building descriptive tables, people also have a tendency to ignore them. And that can get you in trouble. And that is why learning to build good descriptive tables that stand out and grab your reader's attention is so important. And so hopefully, through the course of these videos, you will start to understand how to build a good descriptive table, where to put it, when to create it. These questions will help you reach your audience with what you want them to understand. Hope this video has answered some questions. Hope it's raised some questions. If it has, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you have a good day.